Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling Listen for Hey Siri on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can speak to Siri on your watch by saying Hey Siri and talking into the watch. This can get annoying if you keep activating Siri by mistake. Follow the steps to enable or disable this option. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Siri. Now tap the toggle to the right of Listen for Hey Siri to turn the setting on or off. When the toggle is green, Listen for Hey Siri is turned on, and when grey, the setting is disabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.